In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the unboxing and a complete setup of your brother HL2370DW wireless laser printer. This printer is compatible with your Windows laptop, MacBook, Chromebook, and you can also use it with the iPhone, Android phone or any other smartphone. Let's do the unboxing and then we will do the setup and a printing test in the end. It comes with the manual. Now take this off. That's the ink toner. Now we can slide out the printer. Here is our printer. So you can see there is a manual, ink toner, printer. It also comes with other leaflets and a drive to install the drivers. Now take the printer out of this plastic packaging. Remove this plastic tape. Now if you pull it out, it will open the ink chamber. So that's like you can push it to the forward. Here we have to install the ink toner. Before that we have to open the ink toner. Take the ink toner out of this packaging. Remove the plastic packaging. So our ink toner is ready. Now open the front section. Load the ink toner. Make sure the brother should be facing forward and the icon is on the top. Chip should be facing down. Push it in. Once it is locked, you can just close this door. Plug in the power cable. On the control panel, click on the power button. Wait for the printer to start. So it takes only few seconds. If you look on the screen, it says ready. Next step is to load the paper. Paper tray is here. You can just slide it out. Adjust the size. You can load A4 size or letter size paper. Place the paper. Adjust the size again. Now this is actually for the special paper, so you can just load one paper at a time at this. So we're not going to use it right now. Next step is to do the Wi-Fi setup, connecting this printer to your home or office Wi-Fi network. Go to the printer display panel. On the main screen, click on the upper arrow button. Click it until you get the network and press OK. It will display wired LAN. We are going to use the Wi-Fi, so that is the WLAN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Setup wizard. Press OK. It will display the list of wireless networks. You just have to select your Wi-Fi network. Press OK. Now we have to enter the numbers and digits. So let's start from here. You can start from the plus. You can see here upper and lower case. Once you select alphabet, press OK. Now I'm going to use next. So if I have to use the letters, then I'll keep pressing. Press and hold the OK button and confirm yes with these buttons. Apply setting. Print is instantly connected with the wireless network and the Wi-Fi light is not flashing anymore. It is stable. Press OK. Now click on the back button until you see the main screen, that is the sleeve. We just finished the wireless setup of the printer. Next step is to add this printer in our smartphone for wireless printing. You can download the Brother iPrint and Scan app. You have to download it from the App Store. If you are using an Android phone, you can go to the Play Store. Open Brother iPrint and Scan app. In this app, to add the printer, click on the printer icon or scanner icon below. Select the first option, machine connected to your network. It should display your printer. Select it. Instantly it will add up the printer. It will take you to the Brother website where you can register your product, or you can just go back to the main app. If you want, you can update it now or you can do it later. Here is our printer and we can start using it for printing. So let's do a test print. Click on the print icon. You can open any document you have for printing. So here is the document I'm going to print. So make sure your print is showing up here and then click on the print icon. Let's check the wireless printing speed. Print quality is great, and this way we can do the printing with this printer. Now you can go back to the main app. In case you want to add this printer in your laptop or MacBook, you can watch my videos on that. So that's the complete setup of the printer. This printer can load up to 250 pages in the paper tray. So that's a good capacity. And overall it's a good printer. If you just want to do the printing, it is a fast printer. Thanks for watching.